Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are well. So, today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter number 1 from volume 3. The name of the chapter is Financial Statements. So, let's see what is the meaning of financial statements. So, the financial statements provide a summary of accounts of business enterprise, the balance sheet, right, which reflects the assets, liabilities, and capital. On the other side, the income statement that showing the net results of a particular period. Net results means either a net profit or net loss, right? Or in the other sense, we can say that financial statements are the end product of financial accounting, right? Because they are prepared at the end of the year and it shows the true picture of any institution through balance sheet as well as income statement. Now see what are the characteristics of financial statement. So the first one is historical documents. See, now because they are related to past period, that is why they are called historical documents. Now we all know that only those transactions are recorded in the books of accounts which can be expressed in the terms of money. That is why expressed in money term. Then show financial position. Financial position, we know that either we can have an idea about any particular organization through the balance sheet or from the statement of profit or loss. So that is why it shows the true financial positions of any institution. The next topic of this chapter is nature. Now see what is the nature of financial statements. The first one is recorded facts. You all know that because all the transactions are based on evidences, right? Facts means evidences. So that is why this is called recorded facts. Now you all know that evidences means source documents, vouchers. So those serve as an evidences. So that is why all the transactions are based on evidences. So it is recorded facts. Then accounting conventions. Accounting conventions we have already studied in our 11th standard also. Conventions, accounting standards for conventions, for example, like convention of prudence, where prudence says the business has to record all the anticipated losses but it cannot record all the anticipated gains, right? So it has to follow these accounting conventions. Then there are accounting concepts. Accounting concepts, we all know that there are some assumptions taken by the business for the smooth running. For example, in going concern concept, it is assumed that the business shall continue for a foreseeable future, means in indefinite period, right? So the fixed assets are shown in the balance sheet at their historical value rather than the market value. So these are some assumptions, the concepts that we have to follow while making financial statements. The next is accounting standards. We all know that there are some predetermined rules, regulations, method that we need to follow, right, in order to make financial statements. So those regulations, guidelines are called accounting standards. So accounting standards are prescribed by Companies Act 2013 and they are mandatory in nature. Every company has to follow the accounting standards, right, the guidelines for preparing our financial statements, and if they are not followed, the financial statement do not give a true and fair view, right? Then estimates are very necessary for preparation of financial statements because for example, the useful life of an asset is estimated. The provision for the rate of depreciation that we have to provide is also estimated, right? Doubtful debts are also estimated. So there are a lot of estimates that are required to make for the better results, right? For the better results of a company. So that is why estimates are always there, a part of this. The last, source of financial information. Financial statements are the source of financial information on the basis of which a company takes its conclusions or decisions. Now we all know that if there are not profit there, if the company is regularly incurring losses, it means some corrective measures must be taken in order to improve that, right? So if the company needs to get very good profit, then there must be some strategies, some policies that require to be made by the company. So source of in financial information provides, it helps to take the conclusions, it helps to make the decision, the policies, the strategies, so that the company can achieve a very good financial position. So these are some characteristics and nature of financial statements. So please revise it. In my next video, we will discuss in detail about the balance sheet. Thank you so much.